Today, I want to talk to you about a sensational product, which you may be researching and want to know more about. My name is Telma, and the product I'm going to talk about today is Nervogen Pro. But before talking about the product, I must say that Nervogen Pro is only found on the official website. Therefore, do not buy elsewhere, as there can easily be counterfeits of the product. And this can be very harmful to your health, okay? The official website of Nervogen Pro is fixed in the description of this video and also in the first comment. What is Nervogen Pro? Nervogen Pro is a natural dietary supplement that works to repair nerve pain regardless of age. The Nervogen Pro supplement addresses the main problem that causes nerve pain. It ensures that both problems have been eradicated without worsening the condition. Thing is that all the ingredients used have been well tested to ensure it does not cause any harm to the individuals using it. It is made with a combination of vitamins, plants, and herbs, combined in the correct proportions to ensure it effectively addresses neuropathic pain. The supplement is effective, easy to use, and does not cause any side effects since it is a natural supplement. How to use Nervogen Pro? Nervogen can be used by anyone experiencing nerve pain. The supplement contains 60 capsules, and it is recommended that you take 2 capsules per day for 30 days with water. If your nerve pain is too severe, you can add a dosage of 3 months or 6 months to achieve pain-free nerves. However, medical chemist Kevin Miller recommends some tips and tricks that you can use together with this supplement to achieve proper nerve health functioning. What are the benefits of using Nervogen Pro? Nervogen improves immunity. It eases nerve pain. Lowers blood sugar level. Reduces high cholesterol. Curbs inflammation and improves hormonal health. It helps to maintain a healthy gut. Boosts brain health. It comes with a money-back guarantee. It is a non-GMO product. It is easy to get it at the official website. All you need to do is follow the correct procedure of purchasing it. Then, is Nervogen Pro worth buying? Yes. Those who have never used Nervogen Pro capsules for curbing nerve pain should know that the supplement has worked for many and is budget-friendly. It will help you relieve nerve pain and improve the overall functioning of your body. And remember, buy Nervogen only on the official website, which is in the description of this video, okay? I hope I helped you. See you later.